PDFs are one of the most common document formats in the world, and they're generally designed to be static documents that aren't easy to modify, but they can be modified. And the best way to do that is to use Adobe Acrobat DC. This is available on all Cardiff Met computers, and it's available to staff and some students through Apps Anywhere. So if you navigate to our App Store, Apps Anywhere, sign in with your staff or student accounts, and then search for Adobe Acrobat DC. You'll be able to launch Acrobat from there. I've got an example PDF open in Acrobat here, and it is, unsurprisingly, the Edit PDF tool that you use to modify your PDF files. So now I can select any element in the PDF and modify it. So if I wanted to update the footer, I can select that bit and then change the year, for example. This is not designed to be a word processor, so you can't write documents in the same way as you would with Word, but it is good for small changes to the document. Let's say, for example, I wanted to make some text bold. I can select it and use the panel on the right-hand side to adjust the formatting. Okay, so Adobe use these icons for bold, italic, and underline. I've made that text bold. There are a range of other formats that you can apply, such as bullet points, and you can adjust the space in between characters, change the font and color as well. You can also manipulate images. So if I wanted to change this logo, for example, I can select it and I can edit this object using these tools here. So I could rotate it or crop it, for example. So I could get rid of this logo, which is the old Qualtrics logo, crop that out of the image. I can also add images. So if I wanted to add in the new image, I can use the toolbar at the top to add images, text and links and so on. If I select the new image that I want to insert, I can position that. And then, as you might imagine, you can resize using the grab handles or rotate by hovering over the corner, clicking inside it to move that object. So I can add images, I could add text. With the add text feature, you can draw a box to put the text where you want it. Type in my text. Again, I can use the panel on the right-hand side to format that as needed. To stop editing the document, you click on Close, and you see the document in read-only mode again. There are some other features that you might want to use to modify your PDF documents. For example, I may want to add some pages to this document that I have in a different file. So combine files allows me to do that. The way you do that is to add the files that you want to combine. So that's multiple files. So I've got the example PDF and the extra page. So I select both of them by holding down Control or Command. And then I can decide how I want them to be arranged, the pages. So I could expand these 12 pages and then slot this page in after, say, page 2. Click on Combine and it will create a new file for you, which you would then save. If I then wanted to change that, I could go to Organize Pages, and I can do things like adjust the order again, rotate the pages, add extra pages and extra content, or even extract a page or pages and create a new file out of just some of those pages. Again, close will return you to the document.